Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly, you can see friends in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet long dressy designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. So viewers, don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet ladies long dressy designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Comfortable, breathable, soft yarns from suitable for cooling weather. Durability, long lasting, resistant to wear. Easy care, machines, washable, dryable. Feasibility, suitable for virus, suitable for various activity, confidence boosted, unique handmade designs. Self experience reflects personal styles, relaxations, gleaming, smoothing textures, contracts handmade sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade dresses, midnight full Croatia promote taxation's creative experience reflects personal styles, stress relief, gleaming, smoothing Croatia process, improve mood, colorful designs, happy vibes, focus connections required of the Croatia, social bonding, shared interest with others, community joined, Croatia groups forms, gift giving, handmade dresses are gifts, cultural significance, traditional Croatia patterns, family heirloom passed down Croatia designs. Cost-effective, affordable materials, sustainable, recyclable materials, instrument space, long-lasting quality dresses, sport local artists, handmade crochet dresses, resale value, quality crochet dresses, return value, maxi dresses, midi dresses, floor length dresses, high-low dresses, signal crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, shell stitch. Young chooses cotton wool, from cotton, bamboo, silk, natural fibers. Would you like to explore Snake's Croatia dresses, designs, or benefits of your needs? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know, but different people have different choices and they love different types of decor ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Like your trend designs and apply on your dresses or outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for the people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations and designs and ideas. So viewer, if you love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers, take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel.